Hello, in front of me I've got Motorola Moto G51. In this video I'll show you how to add different types of cards to Google Pay. In the beginning, let's enter Google Pay. Tap button at the bottom of the screen and focus on loyalty, gift card and transit. Let's enter loyalty. And now select the loyalty card you want to add. For example, Payback Poland. You can scan your card or enter details manually. Now let's select gift card, which is pretty similar to loyalty card because you have to select shop, enter card number, PIN, balance and your notes, then tap save. And at the end we've got transit. If you are able to find your transit way, select it. You'll be redirected to a website where you have to finish the inside form. All of your cards will appear right here. If you find this video helpful, please leave a like, comment and subscribe.